McNally TND Tablet 85, built with RAD Navigation 2.0. With upgraded mapping and improved routing, the TND Tablet 85 routes using truck-specific data and Wi-Fi connected services, such as real-time traffic, dynamic weather overlays, three-dimensional buildings and landmarks, current fuel prices, on-screen alerts, and driver tools such as mileage and fuel logs. The tablet can be updated over the air, all with a modern, clean interface. Plus, the TND Tablet 85 has all new hardware, bright, high-resolution display, powerful 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and a loud 2-watt speaker. Heat-resistant up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. A directional dash cam that records the road straight ahead. And a strong magnetic mount. Powered by a hexa-core processor, the tablet is quicker, smarter, and smoother. The TND Tablet 85 with RAD Navigation 2.0. For your truck, your business, your life.